are ice crystals.
Oh,
These are not.
minus 80.
minus 72 still.
Yes.
So now
Minus
running is
72.
now
It will go up to minus 80.
86.
If I touch this now, my hand will stick. Okay. So I
Okay.
have to wear cryoprotective gloves, and I have to immediately close
But
down.
what we'll do here?
Protein samples, molecular biology samples, DNA samples, bacteria samples up to 3 months. You can
Store.
suppose you are studying in some bacteria, you need to go to Delhi for 1 month.
Okay.
All will die.
Yeah.
If you store in this one, it will stay for 3 months.
3 months.
Any
Okay.
plant samples, anything.
Yeah.
Okay. And for this minus 20, lot of things. See, this came for nutrient analysis, protein, carbohydrate, lipids. These are ekdam like stones. Okay, very hard. So these are for analysis. We analyze proteins, carbohydrate, lipids, minerals, gas content, water content, everything we analyze. Okay. In future you can plan accordingly. If you microbiology work also,
Oh, this.
this
What's
is called shaker incubator.
Incubator.
Okay, you don't need to shake the things through your hands. Okay, so it will shake like your hand movement. As soon as I close this door, it will again keep on shaking. Okay, that means there will be no settling down. There will be no sediments. So that is called shaker incubator.
Just closing the door, then it will
Yes.
automatic rotate.
Yes, it is totally temperature automated. Incubator, not oven. Those are ovens. You see that one is 40 degree, right? Those three are different types of ovens. This is incubator for optimum growth conditions.